Sanibonani nonke, welcome to Xoxa Nathi. Mina uZikhaza Mazulu. I'm sitting with the Prophet Langabi, joining us from her residency. Namuhla sizobe sixoxa ngokuthi ubizo lwakho wazi kanjani ukuthi unalo. How did you know that you are chosen or you've got a gift? Prophet, ungabulisa abantu.
Amen. Ngiyabonga ukunginikeza leli thuba. Ngiyanibingelela nonke. I'm greeting you all in the mighty name of God, God the Creator. Right. I am Prophet Langabi, who used to be called Mkhulu Langabi. As you know, lezinto zezipho, it goes nama stages, nama gifts, stages of the gifts and stages of the growth of the gift. Today, I'm with Prophet Fundis.
Amen.
Yeah. So we are discussing how did you know, how did you discover that you were the chosen? I'm going to share how I discovered. No, Prophet Wetu is going to share how he discovered, because when he came to me, well, I'm part of his discovery, and then izinto ebezenzeka kuye uzozikhulumela yena. Avote.
Amen. So lokhu okuthina ke ngayo le show le sizama ukuthi sikhuluma amaqiniso sibuyisa abantu asebadukile ngoba iningi information la ngaphandle. Kuningi abakushabayo abantu cela ungasazi ukuthi ngithathe kuphi ngiye kuphi kuphi okuyiqiniso. So the reason for this show is for us to provide a direction, a guidance, neqiniso elimsuka. Iqiniso ke sazi ukuthi limnandi lingabe mnandi. Kodwa ke nizobona. Nani, you just have to be with us, engage kanye nathi, and then whatever topics that you guys will be interested in, nathi nasoxoxa ngawona lawo. So, Prophet, kulolu bizo lolu okulona manje njoba ubiziwe. Mongasitshela ena ke ngalona uhambo lwakho mo discover ukuthi nalolu bizo kwenzakalani njoba usufika lapha namuhla usuprofet omkhulu ngalendlela.
Angibuzwa kahle. Rephrase your question.
All right, ngithi mina lelo hambo lolu olihambile from the first time you discover ukuthi unobizo, wakhula wafundiswa wazofika namuhla njoba usumkhulu usumprofeti usunceda isizwe. Besicela usilandise ke ngalona uhambo lwakho waba nalempilweni yakho.
Kuningi ngiqale ngokuthi bengihlanya. Okay. Kahle hle ubizo into ozalwa nayo. I-calling, the chosen. Abanye bangabazalwane bazithi bona bangama-chosen. Abanye bazithi bangamakhosi. Kuye kube khona ukuhlangahlangana kwe-gift lana. Kube khona ukuthi people don't know. They know that strange things are happening to us. Mysteries are happening to our lives. But we can't really pinpoint. Ukuthi kahle hle siphethwe yini? What is my problem? Mina hey kwaqala ngento eziningi. If we can put in mind ukuthi i-gift is something that you are born with. It's something that you are born with. Ngiqale mina ngumzalwane. I was a Christian, I was baptized, going to Sunday every Sunday. And then I started to question things. I started to question each and everything that I see. I started to have dreams. I started to have visions. And then life went south. Life went south. I studied, and then I planned my life just like everybody else. Guys, lo moya lona wesipho unamandla. The gift is powerful. If you are the chosen, if you are the truly chosen, umoya unamandla. You're going to incur problems, right? Iqale kahle lento when I was 5 years old. When I was 5 years old, I remember very well, because when I spoke about it to my mother said, when I was Do you remember how old were you? Athi you were 5. Izinto angangizenza. I used to play with into ezisabekayo, like I would take lizards and defend myself and throw them on people. I will take snakes, any type of snakes, and wherever I go there was snake. Wherever I go there was snakes. Then I'll pick up that snake. Then uyazi phela mawukhula usaba ukushaya. You know,
Yes.
it was like that. So that time I'm young and I don't care. I don't even know what this thing iyaluba. This thing is venomous. Then angisabi bani. There's this thing ukuthi lo mntana intombazana kodwa angisabi. And mina mangibona lezi zinto lezi, I don't care. You know, it was
normal for you.
You know, it was normal for me. And then at one stage, emakhaya, there was a mat. And then remember, we need to speak English so that everybody can understand. The gift is not only for Africans. That's another topic for another day. The gift is for everyone. The gift is a soul. So we've got people that don't understand other languages. So we're gonna judge the languages and as fundane.
But you're gonna try our best.
We need to speak English so that everybody understands. Right. I'm playing with things that are scary. A chameleon bengithanda ukuthi yabona manje bayamba lapha ibagold lapha seyimnyama. It used to fascinate me, and everybody's scared of it. And to think of it now, I'm scared of it. I'm scared of all those things that I used to hold. And then we visited emakhaya bafika kwafakwa imethi, and then bakufaka imethi ecansi endlini, and then we all sat ecansini. Abangazi imethi icansi is an African mat, right? Sorry. Okay. And then we all said, but la endlini khona ngilibele ngiyajika kanje. Remember, I'm too thin, I'm small, benginamzimba. Later on, it was discovered that I was actually sitting on top of a python. Python in Neslu. I was sitting on top of a python. Huh? Sitting on top of that python, I'm not even scared. I'm not scared. Like, I'm not scared because I'm the madam. That's the first about everything. That's another thing. I'm sorry. You know, so those are occurrences of mine from 5 to 10 years. Nangokuzalwa kwami ngazalwa ngembethe. Niyazi umuntu ozalwa ngembethe. Naleyo they confirmed it. And then what else happened? Man sekudala kakhulu phela ngimdala. I'm 100 years old. Kuningi okwakusenzeka. And then I will tell them when I was around 6-7, I remember.
Yes.
I will tell them ukuthi ngikhombe ineighbor ngithi loya mama uzoshona loya mama, and bazomkhuphela phansi, bazomfaka ebhokisini elikhulu elingaka. Kasisuthu nekisupa fela komutsing kisupe kiri me o mona me oli o tlo tsamaya mo lefatsheng ba tlo bokenya mo lebokosong le legolo ebile ba tlo mokopela kwa fatshe. Hai o mama angayithathi serious lento lena. And then nangempela kuphela 2 days ashone ugogo. After 2 days, this lady that I showed my mother. Alright. I very ushonile. And during our times, we were not allowed to attend funerals. Will be commanded to sit in a little hut or a little room until they finish the funeral, and then they will tell us afterwards, uhambile, uye kuNkulunkulu, uvakashele kuphi kuphi, kodwa ngeke niphinde nimbone. No one confirmed those things to me. And then I went on, and then I started seeing dreams. I started dreaming of things that will eventually happen. And then ngiyakhonza njalo, ngiKristu nginenzima kabi. Hey, ngisaba uJesu. Ngithaba kudimo kathi le makaza. I'm baptized. Ngizamane nje lo. Uyangithola? Unobuzalwane grade 1, unobuzalwane higher grade. Higher grade yokuzalwane.
Uzinikelile Nkosi.
Angizinikela ngithi uJesu athi. uJesu akafuni wenze kahle. You know? Bengilapha. Ngiyakhula ke, mangikhula I was around 7, 8, where I saw someone that I know, this other uncle that I know during the night. At that time, I see those person during the night standing next to my mom and dad's bed, because I was that child who wants to sleep in the center, who wants to sleep with my dad. I was closer to my dad, and then they ended up they prepared a little cushion for me to sleep next to them that day. What I've realized, indoors of moya, it gets bland. So knowing what I know now, I think I was being prepared that there would be a person also right. This malume comes in the morning to drink tea with us, and then during the night I see this naked person, and for some reason many family members of mine don't know these things. Yes, there's this man. And then I see a man standing on the board of my parents' bed. I'm not talking about the dream here. No, I'm talking about something that I saw. How I was never scared of anything. I'm not a girl that gets scared. No. And then I check. And then we are begins about it. What's that? And then if you are young, fairly young, you don't see it as a threat. You don't see anything wrong.
Yes.
But what was wrong there? Why are you naked? Because you were here in the morning drinking our tea, and then suddenly you come wee hours of the morning. So I wouldn't tell the time, but it was dark. It was at night. I figured we are check. So what traumatized me is nakedness, and then that person came again in the morning about 8 o'clock. As usual. And then it made a meeting. Why were you here at night? I saw you at night. And you were naked. You were not wearing anything. You were standing like Nash everything that this person did. And then my mom, my grandmother, and some other people, I can't remember, it's a while ago, says, Lumdona unamadimoni. Why should I not? Yeah, I mean, honestly, how can I come here naked?
Yes.
What the, how can I come here naked? Yaphela kanjalo. Then waqala ke kwathiwa kufanele mina ngithandazelwe kufanele leli demoni elikimi likhastwe out. Hayi Nkosi yami. Hayi lakhastwa idemoni.
Yes.
Lakhastwa idemoni. Hey, lakhastwa idemoni kabuhlungu. Akuyiwa kubantu cha, kuyiwa einkonzweni ukuthi lo mntwana unedemoni nje elikhulu kabi. Lo mntwana uyakhomba umuntu athi umuntu uzoshona uzongena eboxini nangempela umuntu ashone. Lo mntwana uqambela abantu abadala amanga. Uqambela abantu abadala amanga ukuthi bazana bengono. Hey, manje sesizonda ngabo makhelwane sesizonda ngabo malume. Ngabe kwizandla ngabafundisi. Okuningi angisakhumbuli kahle, but I remember the things that really were a highlight in my life. So I'm going to tell you from age 5 to age 10. All the occurrences. The reason being, this is a spiritual awareness thing. Now you were told that you have got demonic spirits. Right. Over to you. Now capacity 5 to 10.
Yes.
So that ubonakala ukuthi lento lena sizalwa nayo.
Ikhona iyaphila.
Iyaphilisa futhi.
Because it is very confusing.
Very confusing.
It's confusing for you, it's confusing for your parents.
It's traumatizing actually. It's traumatizing because you see things that people can't see.
Yes.
But now, sidinga ukuthi sibakhulule abantu. Umuntu othuphethe amadimoni azazi ukuthi idimoni langempela okanye ubizo. Awafuthi.
So mina esayidini lami mina I went through izigulo eziningi.
Ongakhohlwa ukuthi abanye abantu abasizwa isiZulu. Yeah. So judge the languages.
So I went through izigulo eziningi. I went through a lot of sicknesses in Sakula. I remember ukuthi even I think my entire primary school years from Sakala Milukufunda in primary school, I had fainting spells, I had dizzy spells, I was always at the doctor's every month. It really got to a point where even my own parents couldn't even take me to the doctor because I was literally a patient there every time. Every time it became such a big thing whereby an uncle from the local community had to be the one that is sending me to the doctor's office every time. It got to a point where now my mom, because I was raised by a single parent, had to take me to different churches. Because this thing is growing, this thing is becoming even far worse. Took me to different churches, we went to different prayer mountains, but I will never receive healing. I will continue becoming sick each and every time. Up until there was a time where I actually had this very weird dream. I dreamt of complete darkness. In our own yard, there were people, witches at night. They came, I saw them. It was actually people from the local community.
Did you also see people?
But I mean, I saw them in a dream.
I was claim.
Not live, I saw them in a dream.
Oh, you saw them in the dream?
No, in a dream. It was not live. Yours was far away.
Did you wipe your face to make sure that you're not dreaming? Because at that age, you don't know that you're dreaming, but you can stand. Then
Yes.
you know you're dreaming, but you don't know that you're dreaming. You understand what I'm trying to say?
For me to even confirm that, it was actually a dream. Because I remember I was sleeping, and in that dream I was actually hiding. I was looking at these people doing their own thing, but I was hiding. But along the way, one of them actually saw me, and when they saw me, I was actually shocked. Man, Papa, I actually found a red on top of my forehead.
What?
Scratched me. On that day, there was that scratch, and then I lost it. Also a piece of my hair. So, so in the end, as much as it was a dream, to really wake up and find that red on top of my forehead with scratches and everything, it showed ukuthi into khona was not actually a dream. Lo muntu ngimbonile noma yena ungibonile ukuthi ngimbonile, and then he was actually interested sending out a message to say ngokubonile, and if you dare to speak about it, then I'll come after you. So I knew then ukuthi no, there's reasons why ebusuku, but ngoba nangiyingane nami angazi kwenzakalani. And I actually had to keep quiet, about all those kind of things. Ngize ngikwazi nami ngize ngikhule. Baze bakwazi ukuthi babatsheleke ekhaya ukuthi no, ingane lena akusiyiguli ezinormal lezi. Igulo ngoba ke kunesiphiwo esila enganeni. Ligulo lezi endlula kuzona, leto lezi ibona ebusuku. It's actually visions. Akusizinto, it's not like it's going crazy. But it's actually visions, ligulo lezi adlula kuzona. But manje inkinga ke, noma like even after they've told them ukuthi I'm actually a gifted child, they didn't actually believe in those kind of things.
Sorry, ngibuzela umakhelwane.
Yes.
When were you told, during that time when they were taking you everywhere, is it when they told you, or they told your parents that you are a gifted child?
They actually told my parents.
Because you didn't know, you were still young.
100%. On my side, they actually told my parents about what I'm going through.
How did you know that they told your parents?
When I then grew up, they then told me what I went through. I thought being in school there, because I thought actually as you grow up, you start having those conversations to say, yes, I remember I used to be very sick, and then they come back and say, no, you were sick because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only found out there, but as I was growing up, I didn't even know that I'm gifted, on my side. Kwamele ngize ngikhule ngize ngibe mdala kube khona abantu sebangiconfirmela ke manje ke na ke. To me personally, to say I am gifted, and I am gifted, and then I'm actually supposed to take up a calling, which was very difficult for me because I went through a lot of trials and tribulations. But it's not easy to believe you're on a calling and then you just jump into it.
That's so scary.
There's a lot of questions.
When
I grew up, there used to be about not that desirable. It was not the lifestyle that you would want to have as a kid. I can say they were not praised in the community. You would always run away from them even as kids. So when now in this pew, you're thinking, oh, people are going to run away from me now. Even I was on solar now. So I can tell you this much: I didn't welcome it. I tried to ignore it. I tried to say no. I'm not meant for this. I'm meant for something else.
When we grew up, when we were all young, abantu besenza umsebenzi we healing, prophecy, bond reading and all that. They were old people, guys. So that's what caused the further confusion of lots of people. Why me? Why me? Yeah, remember, it's from 5 years to 10 years.
Yes.
Otherwise, people will lose their focus and concentration. It's from 5 to 10 years that we're talking about here.
Yes. So as I grew up, all the trials and tribulations that I had to go through, even as a child, that my family had to go through, that we were also in denial. As much as I used to see things in the dreams, as much as things used to happen to me, I was a sickly child, when we were all in denial, but that's what we went through. And right now, actually, when I look back, I understand what my parents went through. Was any other parent out there wouldn't find it so easy
just to accept?
It is not an easy thing. It's not an easy journey, especially in a world where there's a lot of information, good and bad. Yeah. So good and bad. So I understand where they're coming from, and I will also understand even what you went through. For them to even want to pray for you, to say that you've got demons.
Imagine. So I grew up nginengane lena vele nayo esisabe engasazithembi ngoba idemon bekuyinto nje enempondo lapha esontweni ingilosi usisomuhle unamehlo blue into lezinde ezinjengalezi kodwa ezakhe original azixhunywanga njengalezi zakhe. So nami I want to look like that one ongena demon. Then uSathane bekuyindoda nje umuntu omnyama oneyimpondo kanje osabeka kakhulu. Manje I felt ukuthi when I look at those pictures ukuthi no, ama-demon phela vele ngakaSathane, so I don't want to be umntana kaSathane. And then at the age of 10, I just had this anxiety. I had anxiety. I was anxious about everything. And I tried to commit suicide. I tried to commit suicide. I've already texted windows. Yeah. Because I just felt I'm tired of living. Life doesn't make sense. And at that time you don't know what it means. Yes, I did try to commit suicide. I did. I honestly did. But I did not die. So sizoyivala kanjalo bantwana abakhethiwe abachosen. It can happen that you are the chosen, but you feel all these symptoms that we went through, other people goes through, because you come with a gift. The world is awakening. This is only for spiritual awakening and nothing else. You are going through all these things, and remember, iskulu somoya aselapheke esibhedlela. I'm a health professional, and when I assess the type of patients that I used to see, that I used to have, I can assure you, I could have intervened to those patients spiritually. Manje siyabona ukuthi lolu bizo lungene kakhulu kuma health professionals. Sekukhona odokotela namanesi nama-physiotherapists that will say, hey, thatha la inamba. Hamba uye kwaMasibanibani. This is not a hospital case now, because the world is awakening, the world is getting knowledge. It's beautiful. Sizogcina ke lana. We are healers. Singabathandazi. Mina personally, I do it divination. Ngiyahlola, and mangihlola I go deep. Ngiyafemba, and mangifemba angibi yimi, my spirit takes over. I'm also a medium. Uyabona leyo ukuthi kunomuntu ofayo, angibelieve, angikholwa, and angeke ngize ngife ngikholiwe, because yenzeka leyo nto leyo. That's the first thing eyenzeka ngegift yami. Abantu bayakhuluma baze bangitshele amagama. How do you explain ukuthi nangu ngibona ubaba? Konje didn't I tell you about your dad first day you saw?
You did.
I did.
You did, yeah.
Igama laka liphuma.
Cha.
Okwaphuma nje ukuthi hey ndoda nangu baba la.
Yes, you told me about my dad. We're gonna get Sibuya Wupi, Izwe. We're not just from South Africa. You told me about my bloodline actually.
Really? I don't remember ngiyakhohlwa. So, nginobufakazi bokuthi akekho umuntu ofayo. Akekho umuntu ofayo. And akuzange kwaba uJesu yedwa owafa wavuka. Nabakini bafa bavuka. If you've got unfinished business, I help you to complete that. Our vote as born.
Well, until next time, thank you for today. Our vote, Sanborn.